For those of you who are interested, you can now purchase an Alkaline gift basket. I received a lot of requests from you all who've seen the Alkaline gift basket that I had offered during the YouTube giveaway, and a lot of people wanted to purchase it. So now I'm offering a slightly different Alkaline gift basket that will include mock chocolate donuts, sesame seed bars with strawberries, granola bars that contain kamut flakes, walnuts, and currants, mock honey roasted walnuts, walnut ginger cookies, brownies which will contain walnuts, and crumble bars. You'll receive apple, strawberry, and blueberry. Please note that the item will not have icing. You must purchase the agave powder separate if you want to make your own icing. So you can pre-order now. I offer small and large gift baskets, and they will ship out the week of November 26th. The quantities are limited, and you can order at www.allnaturalhealing.com.